Welcome to English for Everyone. Today, we're going to talk about one of the first things you need to know when learning English: how to greet people. Knowing how to say hello or goodbye is an important part of communication, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to greet people confidently in different situations. Ready? Let's go. First, let's start with the most common greeting. Hello. It's simple, friendly, and you can use it in almost any situation. Whether you're talking to a friend, a family member, or someone new, hello always works. Here's another common greeting. Hi. Hi is a little more casual, but it's still friendly and polite. You can say hi to your friends or even to your teacher. For example, hi, how are you? Now, what if you're meeting someone for the first time? You can say, nice to meet you. It's polite and shows that you're happy to meet the person. You can respond to this by saying, nice to meet you too. When you want to ask how someone is doing, you can say, how are you? This is very common in English and a nice way to show that you care. If someone asks you how are you, you can reply, I'm good, thank you. How about you? All right, let's practice a quick conversation. Imagine you're meeting a new friend. You can say, hello, nice to meet you. They reply, nice to meet you too. How are you? Then you say, I'm good, thanks. How about you? This is a basic conversation that you can use when greeting someone. Now, let's talk about greetings for different times of the day. In the morning, you can say, good morning. This is a polite way to greet someone in the early part of the day. For example, good morning. Did you sleep well? In the afternoon, you can say, good afternoon. It's more formal and is used after lunchtime, but before it gets dark. For example, good afternoon. How's your day going? And in the evening, you can say, good evening. This is a greeting you can use when it's starting to get dark. For example, good evening. Are you going out tonight? Okay, let's do a quick quiz to check your understanding. Question 1. Which greeting do you use in the morning? Answer, good morning. Question 2. What can you say when you meet someone for the first time? Answer, nice to meet you. Great job. You're doing amazing. Before we finish, here's a quick tip. When you greet people, don't forget to smile. Smiling makes you seem friendly and helps start the conversation on a positive note. So, that's it for today's lesson on greetings. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using these greetings the next time you meet someone, and you'll feel more confident speaking English. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, Subscribe to English for Everyone, and click the bell icon so you don't miss our next lesson. We have lots of exciting content coming up to help you improve your English step by step. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.